Hello everyone, this is me Nida Desai. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here I am up with a new recipe, that is chicken cheesy pizza. So let us see the ingredients first. Here I have taken 300 grams of boneless chicken. I have cut it into cubes like this. Then I have taken 2 capsicums, 2 onions finely chopped. Then butter, cheese, 1/4 cup of milk, oregano, some spices for marination: cumin powder, coriander powder, tikka masala, garam masala, black pepper, salt and red chili powder and some red chili flakes. So now let's see our sauces. I have taken red chili sauce, ketchup, Szechuan chutney, green chili sauce, some tomato puree, some ginger garlic green chili paste. Let us start by marinating our chicken. Adding around 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic green chili paste into it. Then adding all the spices into it and then mixing it well. So we are gonna grill the chicken that we had marinated. I have added some oil on the grill pan. Then putting the chicken pieces on the grilling pan so that it cooks well. Till your chicken is being grilled, let's prepare for cheese sauce. Here I have taken 1 cup of cheese and then I'll add around 1/4 cup of milk into it and mix it well so that no lumps are there. You can also whisk it with the help of whisk so that no lumps are remaining. So now after that, let's add 2 tablespoons of butter into it and then whisk it well till our desired consistency is achieved. This is the desired consistency that we need. It also thickens up when it cools down. You can also add some oregano and black pepper if you want. Now let's prepare for the mixture that we put on the top. So now adding around 2 tablespoons of oil into it and then adding around 1 tablespoon of butter. Let it heat completely, melt down. So here we'll add now 1 tablespoon of ginger, garlic and green chili paste, adding onions into it. Now after adding onions into it, let them saute for a while and then add capsicums into it and let them saute as well. Let's prepare for our pizza sauce till then. So now adding around 2 tablespoons of Szechuan chutney. Then we'll add around 3 tablespoons of ketchup into it and around 2 tablespoons red chili sauce. Then we'll give it a quick mix and then we'll add some chili flakes. If you want, you can add. If you don't want spicy, then you can just skip this part. We like spicy, so I am adding some chili flakes into it and mixing it well. So here our pizza sauce is ready. Let's get back to our veggies. Here our veggies are sauteed well. Now putting the chicken that we had grilled, I have cut it into small pieces and then mix it well. Then after that we'll add some sauces, around 1 tablespoon of Szechuan chutney. Then I'll add around 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Then around 1 to 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce. And then around 1 to 2 tablespoons of green chili sauce into it. And then we'll also add some tomato puree, around 3 tablespoons. And then mix it well and keep it on medium flame for 15 to 20 minutes. Then also added some oregano into it. Now let's assemble our pizza. So I have cut the base into 2 equal parts. Now applying cheese sauce on one part. I love the amount of cheese in a pizza because it enhances the taste of pizza. So applying it well. Don't apply it in the corners, and then putting at the other side on the top, and then let's apply some pizza sauce that we made on it. After that, we'll add the chicken mixture that we had prepared earlier. After applying it all over, let's add some cheese on the top and then some cheese sauce on the top. Then I have taken a pan, put some oil on it, then adding our pizza on it, then covering it up with a lid so that the cheese melts properly and our base is also cooked properly. Our cheese has melted properly, so here our cheesy pizza is ready. Serve it with some ketchup. It is a very quick and easy recipe to make for y'all, and yet a delicious one. Please give it a try and let me know in the comment section below. If you liked the video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.